Convivial evening, everyone. Today, my topic is about optimism path to success. First of all, what is optimism? May anyone know? So, optimism is the feeling that good things will happen in future. It is a hope, a trust that something will be good, will be going to happen, whatever the situation may seems. Here, just I would like to present the person Helen Keller. She was born on June 27, 1880 in Tuscany. She was born physically normal, but at the age of 19 months, she was lost her hearing and became deaf and also blind. But it doesn't stop her to achieve her goals. By the support of her family and her teacher, mainly Annie Sullivan, she became the one of the influential, important person in the society for the treatment of the blind and deaf persons. With her intelligence and dedication towards her goal, achieved him as a symbol of victory to the human spirit. And she is the first person to get the Bachelor of Degree who is deaf and blind. Here we go, the second one. Stephen Hawking. He was born in England at Oxford, and he also born physically normal. But at the age of 21, what happened is that he suffered from motor neuron disease, which gradually made him like a paralysis. Then also he has a burning desire in him that I should have to know about the universe, something he want to invent. So that made him to be one of the eligible person in the society, that he was a cosmologist and author, and he was a director of research at the Center for the Cosmology within the Harvard University. Here we go, the Sudha Chandran. She was India's most famous Bharatanatyam dancer. At the age of 17, in a car accident, she was severely injured. Her right leg was severely injured, which was resulted to get amputated that leg. And at one time, with that amputated leg is replaced by an artificial foot. We know that. And that artificial foot, she gave a stage performance which was fabulous that way. Ramoji Rao, the founder of Film City, made a film by Nache Mayuri in Hindi and Mayuri in Telugu. We all know in Telugu there is a movie called Mayuri, which was based on her life story. Many of them were inspired, even though she didn't walk properly also, but she has a burning desire in her. She has to dance. She is that much interested in her goal. Optimism means not only these persons, many people, even though they are physically disabled, their life was lighted with the good thoughts, their optimistic nature, and the personal ability, mental ability, and personal intuitions. And by God's grace, we all are fit and hale and healthy. So, to do work, we should consider ourselves to be an optimism. We should get attached to optimism. We always think good, always. And always have a positive outlook on life. Whatever the situation may be, first think that good will happen. And never lose hope. And believe in yourself. And Harry S. Truman, he says that a pessimist is the one makes difficulties in his opportunities. But an optimist is the one who makes his difficulty, in every difficulty there is an opportunity they will seize. And see here, an optimism is a happiness magnet. If you stay positive, good things and good people will draw to you. Be unique and be optimistic.